we are talking about the three domains of life on Earth. The domain is the highest and the most broad level of classification in the modern taxonomic system. It classifies all living organisms into three major groups based on fundamental differences in the structure of their cells. All the living organisms are made of cells. Some organisms are made of multiple cells, like humans or birds, and some organisms are made of just one cell, such as different types of bacteria. Also, some types of cells contain a nucleus, whereas some types of cells do not contain any nucleus. So, based on cellular biology, the domain classifies living organisms into three following categories. The first category is bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled organisms that do not have any nucleus. These types of cells, which do not have any nucleus, are known as prokaryotic cells. Most of the prokaryotic cells have a rigid cell wall, and in the case of bacteria, this cell wall contains a chemical known as peptidoglycan. The second domain is archaea. Archaea are also single-celled organisms, but they are genetically different from bacteria. They thrive in extreme environments, such as hot springs and deep sea vents, and just like bacteria, archaea also have a cell wall. But unlike bacteria, the cell walls of archaea do not contain peptidoglycan. Organisms that belong to the domains of bacteria and archaea are considered the earliest and most ancient forms of life on Earth. And now comes the last domain of life, known as eukarya. This domain contains organisms with more complex cells, known as eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells contain a nucleus. The nucleus contains the cell's genetic material, which is its DNA, and it acts as the control center for the cell, regulating its growth and reproduction. The domain eukarya includes single-celled as well as multicellular organisms such as plants and animals. And as you would have guessed by now, we humans are eukaryotic organisms because we are made of many cells, and each of our cells has a nucleus. And that's the end of our today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.